This video is sponsored by Best ZV, the leading professional sales and wholesale platform for football jerseys, training gear, and accessories. Whether you're a serious club looking to outfit your entire team or just an avid fan wanting to rep your favorite players, Best ZV has you covered with authentic, high-quality merchandise. At Best ZV, they understand the passion football fans have for the sport and their clubs. That's why they go the extra mile to source the latest jerseys, training uniforms, jackets, and more directly from the manufacturers. Their facilities utilize state-of-the-art equipment and skilled workers to produce gear that meets the highest standards of quality and durability. One of the biggest advantages of shopping at Best ZV is their ability to offer wholesale pricing on bulk orders. Soccer clubs can easily kit out their entire roster with matching jerseys and training gear at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional retailers. And die-hard supporters can stock up on jerseys for the whole family without breaking the bank. In addition to their industry-leading wholesale capabilities, Best ZV also offers a premium retail experience for individual customers. Their user-friendly website makes it simple to browse the latest jersey releases across all the top clubs and national teams. And their customer service team is dedicated to ensuring you have a smooth, hassle-free shopping experience every time. Whether you need jerseys and apparel for your entire club or you're just a passionate fan looking to grow your collection, make Best ZV your one-stop shop. With their authentic merchandise, affordable pricing, and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best quality gear around. Be sure to check out the link to Best ZV in the description below to start exploring their incredible selection of jerseys, training wear, and accessories today. And if you have any additional questions, you can reach out to their team directly via WhatsApp at +86 1983 279 5763.